Hey all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Daljit and on this channel we talk everything about makeup and skincare. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 favorite foundations with you all. We all know that buying foundations online is the trickiest thing to do. You can end up buying the wrong shade and foundations are actually very costly. So one wrong shade could be a big blunder. So I'm going to share my favorite foundations with you and I'll also be sharing my foundation shades with you all so that if you are from my skin tone family, you will be able to get some help out of this. Okay, so let's start with the foundations. The first foundation that I want to talk about is from the house of Lakme. It's their 9 to 5 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation and I'm in the shade W240 warm beige that's mentioned right here. Also, I'll flash the prices of all the foundations right here because currently I do not remember them, and I'll also link all the foundations in the description box down below, so do check them later on. Talking about the foundation claims to have medium to high coverage, but I would slightly disagree with that. This is actually a medium coverage foundation, and if you will try to layer it up to build the higher coverage, it will get piled up on your skin and it will start looking quite patchy. I also want to say that foundation is more suitable for the oily skin people. If you are from a dry skin family, I would advise you to use a very heavy moisturizer underneath and then you should be able to use this foundation. As the name says, the foundation claims to have a primer in it, but if you are planning to use this foundation for a special event or for the long hours, I would actually advise you to use a primer underneath. That will actually increase the longevity of this foundation and your foundation will not start wearing off in the middle of an event. Okay, the next foundation that I want to talk about is from the house of PAC. It's their HD liquid foundation. I'm in the shade 2.3. This foundation actually saved me when I was having face full of acne. It did not give me any kind of irritation whatsoever. It's again a medium coverage foundation. I don't think that it gets oxidized, at least not on me. But one thing that I have faced with this is it gets transferred a little when the weather is too summery or when it's too humid. It does get transferred a bit, but then I think it photographs really very well. So that is a big advantage with this. The third foundation that I want to talk about is the highest coverage foundation that I own. It's the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. The shade that I have is 058 Natural Beige. Although I feel that warm beige would have suited me better, but because the foundation gets oxidized tan bit and then you can bronze up your skin, I think I can work up with this one as well. Saying that, this foundation photographs really very well. Also, you can layer it and make it a full coverage foundation. The foundation is actually the long wearing one, so you can actually use it for these special occasions like wedding or parties. The foundation is also sweat proof, that's there. With that, I have also seen that the pores are actually less visible whenever I use this foundation, so that's the biggest point with this foundation. The next foundation that I want to talk about, I think it's a very common one. It's from the house of Maybelline. It's their matte plus poreless foundation and I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Oh my god, what can I say about this foundation? It sits beautifully on the face. It actually minimizes the appearance of the pores. It is sweat proof, it's waterproof, it photographs really well, it doesn't give any kind of flashback. It's a long lasting as well, and because it controls oil up to some extent, it's really good for the oily skin people as well. It's matte, but it's not overly matte. It gives a perfect dewy finish to the oily skin people. That's what I can say about this foundation, and it's cost effective as well, so it actually ticks all kind of boxes for me. The last foundation that I want to talk about is from Clinique. I think it's the costliest foundation that I own. It's their Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15. And I'm in the shade WN76 Toasted Wheat, mentioned right over here. I have done dedicated video on this one. I'll link right here, so please go and check it out. The coverage is really medium one. It has the luminous finish and it's mentioned right here as well. This foundation is allergy tested and it's 100% fragrance free. So if you have sensitive skin or if your acne are flaring up and you want to use a foundation, this foundation will be a good choice. The foundation also photographs really very well. It doesn't give any kind of flashback whatsoever. But yeah, I want to mention that the foundation oxidized just a tad bit on me, nothing that is too obvious. But if I have a fresh swatch over here, I would be able to see that the previous foundation has oxidized that bit. So I wanted to mention that in case you want to know. So guys, these were my 5 current favorite foundations. I'm sure that your online foundation shopping will be a lot easier now. Do share this video with your family and friends and save them from a blunder of buying a wrong shade as well. Meet you next time. Bye bye.